वीडियो से पहले घंटी चेक करो, अगर घंटी है तो आओ, वरना सब्सक्राइब दबाओ। घंटी आ जाएगा फिर घंटी बजाओ, टन और आ जाओ।
Ever wanted to send a secret message that can be decoded by the receiver and you only? Well, today we have something just for that. Without waiting, let's get to it.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
For that, we have this app called Text Converter Encoder Decoder blah blah blah. Check the full name in the description and the link to the Play Store if you wanna check it out. If you have ever studied about the programming languages and stuff. Not only the ASCII, it has other options like upside down, binary, hex, octal, reverse text, and the best Morse code. The old stuff, that's why people say old is gold. After inputting your secret, you will simply decode, copying the code and pasting it right in the app. No one will ever know the secret message. This app not only has this encoder decoder stuff, but it has also QR code encoder and decoder. Just type in any stuff and it will generate a QR code of that. Scan thing and you will get the stuff. Not only the QR code, there are other options like barcode and other. Now it has some stylish format of text and decorative stuff too if you are interested. Type your message uniquely. So guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and drop a like if you enjoy watching it. It's your only Codex and always stay classy.